Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nkem. Hello my amazing Igbo language learners. How are you all doing? Our Igbo word for today is the word Dọkịta. Dọkịta maọbụ Dibịa Oyibo. Dọkịta maọbụ Dibịa Oyibo. Dibịa Oyibo maọbụ dọkịta n'asụsụ Bekee pụtara doctor. Doctor, Dibịa Oyibo maọbụ dọkịta. So in English, we have doctor, but in Igbo language, we have Dọkịta or Dibịa Oyibo. Why do we call it Dibịa Oyibo? We call it Dibịa Oyibo because instead of with herbs, healing with herbs, they prescribe healing and medication with English medicine, which is science-based medicine. That is why sometimes they refer to them as Dibịa Oyibo, because those medications, those form of healing people is referred to or regarded to in Igbo language as English way of healing. That is why we have Oyibo more Dibịa Bekee. Remember I said in Igbo language, English means Bekee, maọbụkwanụ Oyibo. Now, make a sentence with the word Dọkịta maọbụ Dibịa Oyibo. Let me help you with one. Nwanne m bụ Dibịa Oyibo maọbụ nwanne m bụ Dọkịta, which means my brother or my sister is a doctor. My brother is a doctor. Now, make a sentence with Dibịa Oyibo maọbụ Dọkịta in the comment section. I know you've learned something today. Please like and share our video, and please practice. This is the best way you retain knowledge and advance in your language journey. See you again tomorrow. Kemesia.